guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this orange and black smoky eye with a nice bronzy glow base with a nice nude lip. It's kind of like Halloween vibes, you know, with orange and black. So it's a pretty simple look to do if you're not scared of working with black. But don't worry, don't be scared. It's quite an easy colour to work with if you get the hang of it. You can wear this going out, you can wear this in the house, you can wear this going to the shops, you know, wear it wherever. So if you want to see how I created this look and what products I use, then keep on watching. So I'm just going to start by doing my eyes. So I'm just going to take the Conceal and Hydrate Concealer from Makeup Revolution and put a bit on my lids. Just prime. I'm just going to take this flat top brush from Morphe. I think it's the E10 brush, just like that. And I'm going to pat it out and carve out my brow. Then I'm taking the Spectrum AO6 buffing brush just to blend it all out seamlessly, get rid of all the edges. Just leaves you with a nicer finish to put eyeshadow on. So I'm taking the Beauty Bay EYM palette, obviously. I'm going to take the black shade, and I'm going to take it on this packing brush, and then I'm just going to put it on my lid. And then kind of mark out where I want it to go. So it's going to go all over my lid, just to the crease. Doesn't matter obviously if it's messy because it's going to get blended out. And then make sure you've got the pigment you want. And you can always go back and build up the pigment if you want to just do it nice and slow. And then I'm going to take the orange shade, this one here, which is called Heat Wave. Get a blending brush. And then I'm just going to basically, not fully blend it out yet, but I'm just going to like pat it around and then little circular motions around the black. So I'm focusing on blending the two colours together, and then after I'm going to blend out the edges. So in small circular motions, I'm just going to keep going round until the orange and the black are blended together. And then once you've like blended them together, you should end up something like this. So it's still not fully blended, but the black and the orange are blended. So then next I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm taking this big one from Morphe. It's the E27 brush, and then I'm just going to dip into orange again. And this is when I'm going to blend out the edge. So I'm just going to go over that again, but I'm going to basically bring it out a lot higher. Keep going over that because then we're going to bring back the orange as well, and then just keep going back in with the orange until you're happy with how it looks. So yeah, I'm going to leave it like that because I'm happy with that. Obviously you can keep going until you like, if you want it a bit more like neon orange. But I'm just like wanting it a nice soft blend from black to orange, like so. So I'm just going to do the other eye quickly off camera, and then we'll start off with the face. So now both eyes are done. I'm just going to start on with my base. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Illuminating Primer, put that on my hand, and then I'm just going to apply it onto the skin. And then today I'm taking the Fenty Beauty hydrating foundation. I have the shade 120. I pop it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take the flat top brush from Morphe. This one here. I'm just going to pick it up and then just apply it to the skin. I picked up the tiniest bit there and look how far it's gone. And obviously, again, I'm going to take what's ever left on my hand, get it with a sponge, and then basically go over it all again on a sponge. Now that's set, I'm going to conceal and contour. I'm going to take the Concealer Hydrate Concealers from Makeup Revolution. I'm using the shade C1 for under my eyes and everywhere I'm going to highlight. And then I'm going to use the shade C10 to bronze slash contour. And then I'm going to take this buffing brush from Morphe, and first I'm going to buff out that darker shade. And then I'm going to take the same buffing brush from Spectrum, the 06, to buff out the concealer, and then I'm going to go over it with a sponge. And then taking that sponge again, but using the top, I'm going to go over everywhere. And that's blended out like so, and then I'm going to set everything in place. I'm going to take the W7 Flawless Face Pressed Setting Powder, and then I'm just going to set everywhere I've just concealed, so under my eyes and my nose. And then I'm taking the Primark Bronzed Glow Matte Bronzer. And now we're all bronzed and all that, I'm going to highlight. I'm taking the JS Cosmetics Supreme Frost in the shade Snow Globe. I'm going to take a bit on my finger, my ring finger, and then just pat it on, just to intensify it a bit more. Then I'm just going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara and coat my lashes, and then put on falsies. And then for falsies, I'm going to take the Unique Lashes in the style Flutter. This is a new pair I've recently got. Such a beautiful lash style. So lashes are on, and I've just basically coated the lower lashes with mascara. So last but not least, well, second to last, is lips. So I'm going to take this Supercharged lipstick. It's a plumping lipstick as well, and it's in the shade Teddy Bear. So it's this gorgeous nude shade. Just gonna pop it on. can already feel it tingling already, so I've never actually like noticed though if it's actually made my lips look bigger, but whatever. I don't really wear it for that. So to set it all in place, I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Watermelon with whatever I have left. I use it a lot, so it smells so good. And that is the finished look, guys. It's actually quite a simple look. I mean, if you're used to working with black, but yeah, I've been practicing a lot with my smoky eyes and stuff, and yeah, I think this has got like a Halloween vibe to it, you know, orange and black, and you know, this top kind of like a witchy look. But yeah, so it's just a nice orange and black smoky eye with a nude lip and a nice bronzy glowy base. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell to be notified every time I post. I post Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Friday is the extra day. If I don't pre-film, then it'll just be Wednesdays and Sundays. You can follow me on social medias, they'll link down below and all that jazz. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.